My boy bought a 79 Pontiac Firebird. Check it out. It's got a 454 in it. Got some nice wheels, tires on it. I don't know how. These tires are probably ready to go though. Come on, man. Let me hear it start, man. Come on. You're teasing me, bro. I'm gonna close it. Nothing else, right? Hopefully that does it. Oh yeah, fuel pump's on. Oh yeah. Sounds good, bro. I like it. You're good. Hi. You're good, bro. Plenty of space. You're good. Nice. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's beautiful, bro. Oh shit. That shit beautiful. Tires are too wide. No, make it right up the light. No, that was a dope. That sounded like a tire scrub. Yeah, make it right. Yeah, buddy. We in the Firebird. Oh, this is the limit right there, 6,000. Sounds good, bro. I like it. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. This thing is clean. This thing is clean. My boy. My boy. My boy pulled up with the Firebird. That thing is nice. Check this out. That is shiny. Man, the alternator is shiny. Those freaking cooling lines look awesome, bro. You did a good job on this. Oil coolers over here. Oh, this is what? Another cooler? Yeah, transmission. That's lovely, bro. You did it right. They wrapped the exhaust on this side. It looks great, bro. Yo, everything is freaking chrome plated. It's crazy.
Looks like everything is right here, right?
Yeah, it does. It does, for sure. What's the mileage?
It says like less than 70.
On the motor? Oh, that's great. Check this out, guys. Look at that booty. That fitment, though. That fitment. That's lovely, bro. Congrats. Interior is great too. I like it a lot.